Hi, good morning. Today we will attempt to solve these interesting function questions. Now you are given two functions f of x and g of x together with its domain. You are asked to sketch on the same diagram f inverse and the composite function f inverse of f. And you are also asked to state the range of f inverse of f. Now let's sketch this graph f. Now, you can just simply key into the calculator, but remember to put its domain. But if you are doing the higher level math and you are doing paper 1, then in paper 1 you are not allowed to use the GC. So in that case, you have to do by first sketch the graph log x and then you shift the graph to the left by 1 unit. Okay, now you key that into the GC. Your graph will look something like this. Now this is the asymptote, all right? X equals to minus 1 is the asymptote. Let me draw the asymptote first. For ln x, the y-axis is the asymptote. So you shift 1 unit to the left. So x equals to minus 1 is the asymptote. All right, so this is y is equals to ln 1 plus x. Now let's draw the graph of f inverse of f. But I think the first thing we must try to sketch is we draw the line y equals to x. Now you key that into the GC, you find that the line y equals to x cuts the axis at the origin, right? So this is the line y equals to x. So if you do a reflection, all right, you will get the f inverse. So your f inverse, now your f inverse, now you reflect this line about the y equals to x. So this line, the asymptote will also be reflected. Okay. This is x equals to minus 1. So this is y equals to minus 1. So if you reflect it, it will be this way. Okay. So we have sketched the graph f, and f inverse. Now, so next you are asked to sketch the graph f inverse of f. Now for f inverse of f, it will be the line y equals to x. Now, so this is f inverse of f. Okay, but we have to be careful because what is the domain of f inverse of f will be the domain of f. All right, the domain of f is x must be greater than minus 1. So in this case, this thing will not, this part of the graph will not be here. Erase this. And this will be a open circle. All right. So we have finished this part of the question. Now you are asked to state the range of f inverse f. All right. So range of f inverse of f will be equals to, now you find that it does not include minus 1. All right, so it's from minus 1 to infinity. Okay, now let's move on to part 2 of the question. Now find the least value of k such that f of g exists. Now for f of g to exist, the range of g must be a subset of the domain of f. All right. For f of g to exist, range of G must be a subset of the domain of F. Now, domain of F is greater than -1. You want to find the extreme of the range of G, alright? So you find that the range of G must also be greater than -1. So you want to find the extreme of the range of G. So the range of G, which is x squared minus 2, will also be greater than -1. Okay, then you plus 1 on both sides, so x squared minus 1 is greater than 0. So you find that x is greater than 1 or x is smaller than -1. Okay, now you find that over here x is greater than k. Now for f of g to exist, x must be greater than 1 or smaller than -1. So since x is greater than k, so the least value of k will be 1. That means if k takes on the value of 2, the composite function f of g exists. And if k takes on 1.2, it also exists. Now, so the least value of k therefore will be equals to 1. Now, next we are asked to state the range of f of g. Now, since the range of g is equals to the domain of f, so the range of fg will just be the range of f. Alright? So the range of fg will be equals to the range of f. That will be from -infinity to infinity. Okay, now the reason is the range of g is equals to the domain of f. For that, we come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.